Appreciate it, bro. Yeah. YouTube, what's up, man? It's Yefe checking in, and I'm back with another video. It seems as though I have left my phone in the crib. Alright, so I'm back. Let's turn this down. I actually found an app that I'm gonna use too, so I can record my voice through the mic on there, and the audio will be a lot better. But today I'm just taking y'all on a quick POV drive to talk about some things, man. First off, I want to say I appreciate everybody who, you know, sticking it out with me. Still there, you still fucking with me. All the new people, the new subscribers, I really appreciate that. You know what I'm saying? Crazy motherfucker. But today I just wanted to talk about the situation that I got going on, man. About 2 weeks ago I got arrested, so I'm dealing with some things right now. I'm out on bond, but I ain't the type of dude that be getting locked up, so this is like some first time you feel me? And the reason I got locked up was for, the citation was for racing. Alright, like around the area that I stay in, it's kind of like I was being targeted just because I had a Charger. And a lot of people don't know me, and they don't know that I've only had this Charger for a year. Since I was 19, 20 years old till now, I'm 29. I've only driven Audis, you know what I'm saying? I had Audis. So this is new for me. I never knew that in the Charger world, you have a target on your back, especially if you have a V8, you know what I'm saying? So I've been getting pulled over and frisked and stuff. Like, they pulled me over before for nothing, you know, and they did what they did. And, you know, they always jumping behind me. But since I got it wrapped, it was like, I don't think they knew it was me anymore. Of course not. You know what I'm saying? Unless they had the plates or whatever. Unless they ran the plates and shit. But anyway, man, I was on the highway, and I'll admit I was speeding. And a motorcycle pulled up on the side of me, and he flagging me and shit. I'm already speeding. I had like 10 miles left of gas, so I was trying to get to the gas station, right? So I'm already speeding. He flags me, he hits it. I'm already going, you know what I mean? So not knowing, like, I'm talking about way behind, it was some trucks, some cops. Like, literally by the time they pulled me over, I was already back doing a regular speed limit type shit. Like, they waited so long, you know what I'm saying? And of course they ain't go after the bike. But I'm thinking that, like, in my head, like, that shit was a setup. Like, that dude on that bike could be working with them. That's probably some shit they do all night. You know what I'm saying? Pulling up on Chargers, and just cars where if you drive these cars, you know, you could be looked at as a stereotype. You know what I'm saying? Especially if you're like me, you know, black male, dreads, you know, locks. That makes it a little worse. But one thing about me, everything legit. So they, you know, they don't really know that. But anyway, I got arrested for racing. And that's just something I gotta deal with. Lawyer paid. So that's not really a problem. I just don't want nothing on my record, because I ain't got no record. So that's the main thing. Other than that, I just want to tell y'all, be safe, man. Like, especially in the Atlanta area, they got a lot going on, and it seems like they cracking down more on the fast cars than anything, bro. Like, they out to get us, bro. And what they gonna do is, eventually they gonna take your car. So you gotta be smart, man. I'm about to get a radar. It be niggas like this. Look, his shit just cut off.
Like that.
Appreciate it, bro. But see, them biker boys be trying to get you. But I'm about to get me a radar, and that's gonna take care of a lot of my worries. Cause I ain't trying to be running into these guys, man. Like, and especially in my area, I just feel like they slick on my ass. So that's that. See what the biker boy gonna do. He cooling. But like I said, I'm gonna start using this program I got to where I can record through my microphone on my phone. Shit sounds good. So better audio coming soon, because the GoPro's audio is not really that. I got something that's like instant. I ain't gotta wait for it to come in the mail and all that. It's an app on the phone and it sounds great. But other than that, tomorrow I'm going to the Braves game. Braves versus the Phillies. So you guys will have a vlog on that, or a video, whatever you want to call it. I don't know whether to call my videos vlogs or just regular videos, like, for real. See, like, at points like that, you gotta be careful, because they be in a cut and they be hearing this shit. This shit be loud, and they be on some shit, like, for real. I'ma keep it smooth, though. I ain't finna do all that. Damn, buddy. Felt like I needed to bless y'all with a little video. I hope this camera recording right, because I'm gonna just keep it real, bro. I just put this shit on my head. I didn't even go to the app to see if the angle is right or nothing. So I'm just hoping y'all can see what y'all supposed to see right now, man. And once again, shouts out to everybody that be tuning in. I fuck with y'all, man. Just stay tuned. There's a lot more to come. I just started YouTube in January, so I'm still a newbie to this shit. Other than that, it's Yefe, man, and I'm signing out this bitch. Fuck with your boy, you heard? Plus text. Gots to know it. I don't know if y'all can see that. Slight dirty though. Finna go in the store though, man. Gotta clean up all these goddamn bottles and shit. These water bottles, bro. Big FA drink a lot of water, you heard? Shit's great for you. Anyway though, man, it's the end of the video.